Hello my friends! Welcome to my new video. This time it's a tutorial how I use soft pastels for aura, key and background. Like this video and share it with your friends. Support me by subscribe, click the bell, don't miss a video. Let's go! If you want to buy my art, write me a mail. Take a look at my Instagram store. You can also ask for commissions. And now enjoy the video. For my background drawings and drawing aura and key, I chose these soft pastels from Faber Castell. Write down 3 tones you need. Start with bright tone, go to the mid tone, and the last is the darkest tone. After you choose your colors, you can start blending. Take the lightest tone, the brightest, set up the aura, blend it with your finger, step by step a little darker. The last is the darkest tone. If you're done, take the white pen and set up some highlights. Now I show you how I draw with soft pastels Android 17's barrier. At the end, enjoy these Goku Kaioken times 10. And finish it! This was my tutorial of how to use soft pastels. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See ya next time.